last year. So it's now suddenly it's feeling like it's home. Like घर आ गया हूँ. It's feeling like personal and it's feeling good.
You have always been a great fashion stylist. Now doing this movie, how is that feeling?
Well, it feels cinema is something that I've always loved, and for me, I always wanted to write, produce, direct, all of it. So Stage 5 Production is an independent producer, independent production. It's an intimate production. We want to make intimate films, different storytellers, different writers, different actors. So that's the journey. So let's see how much we do, and we want support from the audience to come to theaters to watch films which are intimate and support us.
So I'm one of the audience from Bangalore, Canada. So what is your love towards Bangalore, the industry of Canada?
Look at the fantastic films. Yeah, of course. Absolutely fantastic films.
Okay, thank you.